and today we're going to do our first cooking video. Well, today we're going to be cooking chicken and corn soup. Our ingredients are onion, garlic, spinach, carrots, peas, bell pepper, lettuce, corn, chicken, potatoes, and our seasoning, which are salt, coriander powder, black pepper, and masala. First, we on the stove, then put the oil. And then after that, we cut the onion. Now, since we cut the onion, we put it in the stove. Now, after the onion is golden brown like this, it's starting to turn golden brown, we start to dice up the garlic like this. Now, since the onion is golden brown, I put in the chicken. Now I will put in the garlic. Now I will start to mix. It's time to add the seasoning. First, a quarter spoon of salt. Then a quarter spoon of ginger powder. Then black pepper. Then the masala. First, we will add the potatoes, carrots, and peas because they are harder to cook. Now the carrots are done, I put in the potato. Now, I'll start to put in the peas. These are very hard to carry, so I'm going to put both hands. The dish is mostly cooked. Come look at my dish so far. Now, let's add the rest of our vegetables. First, the corn. Then, the lettuce. Then the spinach. Then, after that, the bell pepper. Now your dish will start looking like this. Now it's cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that, I'll tell you how it looks. It's time to put in the water. Now we are waiting for it to cook. Now since it's fully cooked, I'm going to put it and I'm going to present it to my sister. That looks about good. Now, I'm going to let my sister base it off of 2 things, taste and smell. I'm going to put the last basil for decoration.
Now, let me smell it. Smells nice. Wow. Now let me drink. Now let me taste it. The taste is perfect. I'll give it a 8.5.
Okay.